Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss chapter relation and function. But before this, if you don't know anything about sets, please go through it to understand the concept of relation and function. Cartesian product of sets. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product A into B is the set of all ordered pair of elements from A and B. Therefore, Cartesian product is the multiplication of two sets to form the set of all ordered pair. For example, let two set A and B where A having the element 1, 2, 3 and B having element 2, 3. Then the Cartesian product of A and B, that is A into B, will be one and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 into 2 and 3 and 3. Here first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. Therefore, it is called ordered pair. You can see it in every product, that is 1 from first set and 2 from second set. Similarly, 1 from first set, 3 from second set, 2 from first set and 2 from second set. Again 2 from first set, 3 from second set, 3 from first set and 2 from second set. Again 3 from first set and 3 from second set. That is, the first element always belongs to first set and second element always belongs to second set, and therefore it is called ordered pair of sets. Let us take another example where set A consists of element dog, cat, and set B consists of element meat, milk. Now Cartesian product A into B will be dog, meat, dog, milk, cat, meat, cat, milk. Note, we will never take same product for A into B and B into A, as we have learned that there must be an ordered pair, that is, first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. So we have solved A into B, but if we took B into A, that is Cartesian product of B and A, then we will write it as meat, dog, meat, cat, milk, dog, milk, cat, where first element belongs to first set and second element always belongs to second set. Similarly, in our first example where we have solved A into B, so when we take the Cartesian product of B into A, we will write it as two into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, that is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, again 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. That is 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3. Where first element belongs to first set and second element always belongs to second set.